The kitchen has always been the heart of the home, but in 2025, it has transformed into a multifunctional space that reflects both lifestyle trends and technological advancements. One of the biggest shifts we see today is the rise of the smart kitchen, where appliances communicate with each other, adjust settings automatically, and even reorder groceries when supplies run low. Smart refrigerators now feature touchscreens that display recipes, meal plans, and expiration alerts. Voice-controlled ovens and stovetops make multitasking easier, allowing home cooks to control temperature, timers, and even cleaning cycles without lifting a finger. This interconnected setup isn't just a luxury, it's quickly becoming the standard, driven by a consumer demand for convenience, sustainability, and efficiency. Alongside smart technology, the kitchen has also become a hub for sustainability. Homeowners are increasingly seeking ways to reduce food waste, conserve energy, and use eco-friendly materials. Compost bins with odor-sealing technology, countertop hydroponic gardens, and energy-efficient induction cooktops are all part of this new wave. People are embracing bulk shopping with reusable containers, eliminating plastic packaging, and using smart storage solutions to keep produce fresh longer. Even the design elements have shifted. Bamboo, recycled glass, and reclaimed wood are now popular choices for countertops and cabinets. The sustainable kitchen isn't just about saving the planet. It's about creating a healthier, more mindful lifestyle at home. Another powerful trend shaping kitchens in 2025 is the focus on wellness. Kitchen spaces are now designed not only for cooking, but also for promoting health and mental well-being. Natural light, indoor herb gardens, and air-purifying plants are integrated into the layout to boost mood and reduce stress. Functional zones for activities like juicing, meal prepping, or even mindfulness breaks are becoming common. We also see the rise of appliances that support wellness goals. Blenders designed specifically for nutrient retention, water filtration systems that enhance mineral content, and smart scales that sync with health apps to track nutrition. The kitchen is no longer just a place to make food. It's a sanctuary for nourishing the body and mind. Finally, the aesthetic of the kitchen has undergone a bold evolution. Minimalism remains popular, but it's now paired with warm, personalized touches. Matte finishes, earthy tones, and textured materials create a cozy yet sophisticated feel. Open shelving displays beautiful ceramics and cookbooks, transforming everyday objects into design statements. At the same time, multifunctional islands and foldable counters maximize space and flexibility. Lighting has become a central feature. Layered lighting schemes using pendants, under-cabinet lights, and smart bulbs help set the mood for cooking, entertaining, or relaxing. The modern kitchen balances function with beauty, blending cutting-edge innovation with timeless style to create spaces that truly feel like home.